This profile pop-up is for Abir. Now Abir, you've got quite the interesting profile. You've got a very cool picture. It's black and white, kind of faded, sapphire, I forget what you call that type of a shading. Your picture is cut off a little bit there, the wording, but it's still very cool. Now, the biggest thing that I see and would suggest is I have a feeling, I'm 99% sure, that you notice how we go from see all activity to education? You're missing the experience section. You have no current job. That means you are not in an all-star profile status. You need the all-star profile, which LinkedIn will walk you through. When you go to edit your profile, scroll down about a third of the way, and there will be a little wizard there, and it will walk you through what you need still to get an all-star profile. Now, the challenge that you have, I get it, is that you're right smack in the middle of getting your education. That's okay. In order to be found, you need at minimum an all-star profile. And to get that, you need a current position. Your position should be seeking an education, describe it as you will, right? What you're pursuing an education, a 4-year degree in computer science. There you go. Something along those lines. That's what you put in the description. Pick the company that works the best for you and add more to your about section. That's another big section that you want to make sure you fill out as much as you can. You've got a great headline. Look at the headline. You've got a lot of great content in the headline. Makes people interested. Talks about what you're all about. Design thinking, GitHub, all that good stuff. But you need to have the experience, okay? That is holding you back from being found. That alone is a huge, huge deal. And when I go back to your profile, and I'm just looking real quick here, you've got 15, 16, 17, 18 skills, right? As you get more skills in your education, add them in. Make sure you keep adding them. Make sure you keep adding your projects. And what I see you, I was going to say, I thought you did this already. I thought I glanced at it. Turn off the competition. When you are just graduating or you're in school, you're looking for that internship, you don't want people going to somebody else who could be doing, as you see right here, the second choice, she's an intern at GitHub. Those keywords are being found for her. People are finding her, are looking at you and going to her profile in this case, right? That's what it means by people also viewed. So be careful. There's a way to turn off the competition, and make sure you do that to make sure you have the most opportunities. That's the way it works. Hope that helped. Let me know below. Thanks, guys.